Despite what you may think, protecting the environment is not the only tenet of sustainability. Sustainable approaches need to consider the fundamental interplays between actions that affect the environment, society, and the economy.
Companies that want to do well in sustainability and want to really positively impact both the environment, the business practices, and also the humans that are involved, they really need to look at becoming more efficient, more nimble, more innovative. And a great way to do that is digital transformation. And one of the core parts of making that happen, especially in industrial environments, is to empower field workers to do more by themselves. And mixed reality is a great technology to do that. By extending, if you will, the power of digital transformation to field workers, we allow those workers to be able to do more things faster, and also better.
Mixed reality technology, in which physical reality and digital content combine to enable interaction with and among real-world and virtual objects, is moving the needle in all areas of sustainability.
The origins of augmented reality go back to World War II. And the first augmented reality system really was a heads-up display. And really what we've done since 1942 is we've gone way beyond that, and where we're sat now is with head-mounted devices which allow you to project information into the real world and for it to be relevant to the environment that you're in, so that you can use that to do a task, or that you can use it to situate yourself really effectively from a perspective of knowing where you're at and what you're doing, or how well you're doing something. Think of all of the amazing applications that has, from healthcare to engineering. Every time we take this and show it to people, they go, wow, I can think of 100 ways in which this can help my team or our group do things more effectively. And that is just absolutely amazing in the way that it's having that impact, and it's creating opportunities that people really didn't understand existed before about transfer of knowledge and getting that knowledge to the point of need.
Since 2016, Kognitiv Spark has empowered the global workforce to achieve more, operate with confidence, and solve any problem quickly, safely, and accurately via the world's most effective, reliable, and secure industrial mixed reality solution for remote support.
In 2015, I had the pleasure of trying a prototype of a mixed reality device. I put this device on my head, and for the first time I could see holograms. I mean, it was incredible. You had digital content floating in the real space. I could actually grab them, pick them up, and it was actually there. And at the time, I didn't know what we were going to do with it. I just knew it was going to be the next computing wave. Just like personal computers, and there was mobile computing, there's internet. This was going to be the next thing to take, our civilization, to be able to take all that digital content we've been creating and putting it in our physical space. Because that's where we really live.
And what we were able to do is to start talking about how that would have an impact, not just on IT and not on computer systems, but on people, and how people would use that type of technology to improve the way that they work and to do their work better.
So after talking to tons and tons of people, we formulated the plan to build Remote Spark. And that was to enhance a worker's life that's doing a complex job. How do you connect them to an expert? And how does that expert put content in their purview to actually help do what they do? So in designing this, we wanted to make sure that our technology could be used at the last mile. So we've optimized the video and audio feed in the data communication layer to use very, very low bandwidth. We also have a version that doesn't use the internet. So we can reach out on that low bandwidth, and also customers don't need the internet. We can install our services so it only runs on a private network.
I saw Kognitiv Spark as a way of accelerating the learning of the product by using a combination of community coupled with all of the technology that augmented reality can deliver, so that if we execute properly, transforms how we support our customers. It's a phenomenal technology.
Our vision for the future is to just keep helping field workers as best as we can, and allow them to do more things by themselves, by making sure that they have access to the information, the knowledge, and the expertise that they need to do all kinds of complex tasks
our mission is. It's to be able to deliver mixed reality to where the customer needs it, when they need it, and in a way which has really dynamic impact for the end user.
This is not science fiction. This is happening today. People today are putting on these augmented reality headsets, bringing that content to their physical space to help them do what they need to do. And so check it out. I mean, it may be the right thing for you right now, and jump on board.
Don't be afraid to look funny. If you want to try mixed reality, put the helmet on your head, give it a go, and you'll be convinced.
To learn more about Kognitiv Spark and how they're helping shape the future of work in a sustainable way, visit kognitivspark.com.